Hi everybody, from Coach Dom. In this video I got some clips and cut-ups of walking around at my last storage auction I went to, and then I'll finish it up. Follow along. Here comes the next clip.
Y no la corren de aquí ni con protesta, dije, ni con pancartas. Otra mancha para el tigre, Pindito.
Ya cuando chiquillos de Tony Fire me quedo asustado.
Ah, jale.
5, 10 dólares.
Arriba. Arriba.
El domingo voy a
Ay, pues es que algo duro.
Un refrigerador.
Alújale arriba, porque
Estaba nuevo los colchones.
la caja de arriba está acá.
All right, check it out, man. I could tell a little bit with the fishing pole that you see there. Jack on the floor, kind of, and the smudges on everything. Kind of looks like a dude's unit. So let me start clearing it out. Let's see what we end up with. 125 bucks. Let's see how we make it go. Just hustling. Hi everybody, from Coach Dom. Little disjointed storage locker video, but what happened was it was truly mostly a dude's unit. I did end up with some cremains, so I got to go turn those in. Kind of sad when that stuff gets left behind. That might be another video, but there's a bit of tools and other odds and ends. No biggie, Amazon or eBay type stuff. I hate it when people say break even, because most of the stuff's going to go to a yard sale, and maybe I'll get my cost back, but I won't get my time back. But that's what happens when you do the storage auction stuff. It's really a treasure hunt, and you do your best. And I didn't mind that price point. That happens sometimes. Anyway, either subscribe there or there, next videos on the sides. Thank you for all your comments. Like, subscribe, comment. You want to tell me the most unusual thing you've ever seen found in a storage locker? Hit me up in the comments below and I'll let you know what I found. Talk to you soon. Thank you.